Welcome the students of class 6. Welcome to our social science history class. And today in this social science class we are going to discuss about the two Harappan cities that were discovered in modern day Gujarat. So what are the main features of these cities? Today we are going to discuss. The number one city, it is the Dholavira. Number one, Dholavira. So in Dholavira, what are the things the archaeologists had found? That in Dholavira city, okay, this city actually situated in Gujarat in Khadir Bet region. So what is Bet? Bet is actually a landform created by the deposition of alluvium during the flood. Okay, so this is a lowland mainly in Khadir Bet in Gujarat, and it is situated in the Kutch district, and Kutch is the largest district in Gujarat. Okay, and in Kutch district in Khadir Bet in this Dholavira, due to archaeological excavations, archaeologists have found some artifacts, and on the basis of these artifacts they also mention some important features of Dholavira. So I am mentioning the features. Number one, that Dholavira is one of the city that is divided among three parts. Okay, so Dholavira actually divided into three parts. Okay, so Dholavira is divided among three parts. Number two, that each part was surrounded with stone walls with entrance through gateway. Okay, so each of these cities surrounded with walls, and you know that in this way grid pattern, the roads are there and houses were built between the grids. So in this way, and also main entrance also be present, okay, to enter the cities. So this is the main features of Dholavira. Number three, a large, so number two, it is the walled city with entrance. Okay, so number three, it is a large open area with public ceremonies could be held. They have found a large open area and they assume that this area is used for public ceremonies such as marriage or any religious function, etc. A large open area. Okay, a large open area. Number four, what is the number four finding? That Harappan script carved out of white stone and perhaps inlaid in woods. Okay, these were found there, and this is an unique found because most of these Harappan cities, their findings generally and seals, the scripts found over the seals, but in this case they are found on the wood as well as on white stones. Okay, so the presence of Harappan script on white stone and woods. Okay, so these are the more four features of Dholavira. Okay, so now we'll see another city, that is Lothal. Okay, what are the main features of Lothal? That Lothal is situated actually in the tributary of Sabarmati River. Sabarmati River, you know, the main river of Gujarat, and this river has a tributary, and the name of the tributary is Vogava. So on the bank of Vogava in Ahmedabad district, this archaeological site was discovered by the archaeologist. So if I draw the map, okay, so it is situated here, okay, and Dholavira I have mentioned, it is situated here, okay, so it is Dholavira and it is Lothal. So what are the important features of Lothal? Now we are going to discuss that. Number one, in Lothal they mentioned it as a port city. It's an important port city of Harappan civilizations, and evidence of trade and commercial activity was found in the Lothal. So an area situated near the source of semi-precious stones, as well as this city was situated near the area where they can collect the semi-precious stones. Okay, situated near semi-precious stone, okay, mine, okay. So it is situated near the mine or quarry of semi-precious stones. Number two, center for making stone shell metal objects. Lot of stone shell and metal objects also discovered from this site. So center for making stone shell and metal objects. Number three, what is the number three finding? That in this place actually storehouse were discovered. Storehouse, it is very important discovery, the discovery of storehouses. Why? Because the archaeologists, they thought they stored all their important grains here and distributed from other places. And also it is very important because they already mentioned it as a port city. So most of the port city, they storehouse were found beside the port city. So in this case also the storehouse discovered. Okay. So number four, seal and ceilings were found in the storehouse, and seal and ceilings were found. What is ceilings? You have to know that sealing means the impression of seal or on clay. The impression of seal on clay were found, and so what happened? Why these ceilings used? Because at the time they sealed the bags, okay, content of some metals, and they tied or closed the mouth of the bag with either stitching or with some tying it. And what happened? They actually put a layer of mud over the seal, over the stitches, and put the seals here and dried it. So the symbol of the seal, actually the evidence of authenticity, that these things are authentic and the seal is not broken. Okay, so in this way they seal those things, and the impressions of seals is called sealings on the mud. Okay, and so the number 5 founding, it is very important, a huge tank. Okay, a huge tank, a huge tank discovered, and this tank was evidence there may be a dockyard where they repaired their broken ships, etc. Okay, and a channel also connected from the reservoir. So this is the ancient city of Dholavira. This is the ocean, Bay of Bengal, and a channel also connected for water, and this is the main channel through which they can enter into the tank. Okay, so in this way, so they archaeologists have thought the big ships entered through this path after repairing. They also, and also for water drainage of the water, they dug this small drain. Okay, now another one, a beads factory was discovered. A beads factory. What is beads? You already know. The beads are small, some tiny, beautifully decorated, some pieces of stones or mud, and there was a bead factory because the pieces of stone have made beads, tools for bead making, and finished beads found in this bead factory. So that's why the archaeologists assume that this is a bead factory was there maybe in the Harappan, this Harappan city, Lothal. Okay, and in this way, the archaeologists mentioned the importance of the two cities Dholavira and Lothal. Okay, in Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization. Hope you have understood the main features of these two cities. Okay, so next class we are going to discuss the another subunit. Okay, so till then, thank you for watching.